Good afternoon. My name is Chris Shelton. Don't you want to be prepared for whatever life throws at you? Well, I can help you with that. Today, I will be teaching you one of life's most valuable and simple lessons. That is how to tie a tie. First, we will determine if the tie is long enough. Next, we will tie the tie using a full Windsor knot, and then we will learn how to properly adjust the tie. I have worn a tie many times throughout my life and have used it to help myself and others. So let's begin. Let's start off by determining if the tie is long enough for us to use. You'll put the tie seam down, which is the side with the seam, around your neck. The tie should evenly on both sides go down to your waist. Now that we have determined that this tie is long enough, you want to pull the large end all the way down until the skinny end is approximately 2 finger lengths below your nipple. And then we will get into actually tying the tie. You'll start off by taking the large end and crossing it over the small end, which is going to make an X here and a hole here, which we will use to tie later on. You want to continuously pinch this X throughout tying the tie. Alright, now we're going to bring the large end here, we're going to bring it through the hole and over this side. Pull it a little snug but not too tight, just like so. Next step is going to be to bring the large end behind the loop itself. If you need to switch fingers at any point in time, you can, which I will do so now. And then I'm going to pull the large end behind like so, and the seam side should be facing out like this. Next step is going to be to put the tie itself through the hole and pulling out. So I'm going to put the tie through the hole like so and pull out. Once again, you want to pull it snug but not too tight, and you can begin to see the knot formed here. Alright, for the next step, you're going to want to place 1 or 2 fingers on the knot itself, as we're going to place the tie over the fingers and the knot, like so. It's going to create a loop here. Then you're going to bring the tie up, seam side like this, through the hole, and then down and through the loop, like so. And then you'll pull tightly, just on the large side of the tie, not the skinny part, until you have a nice knot. Alright, and on to the final step, which is us adjusting the tie properly. You're going to place 2 fingers on the small part of the tie, pinching it, and then your other hand on the knot itself. And simultaneously, you're going to pull on the small part of the tie and push up on the knot, like so. And voila, you have tied a tie. Now if you need to adjust any other parts, you can push down on the tie to hide the knot that is showing. And once you have finished, you flip down your collar and you have tied a tie. Now today, we learned how to tie a tie. First, we started by determining the length of the tie to make sure it was long enough. Next, we tied a tie using a full Windsor knot, and then we properly adjusted the tie. Now remember, you will need to learn this skill one day, and you could potentially pass it on to other generations in your family. Thank you. Have a great day.